10 tips for support and encourage yourself. 1. Be proud of yourself. Whether it is because of a small accomplishment, or just life in general, you have to believe in yourself. If self-esteem is an issue for you, try therapy or do some research on the subject. You can't encourage yourself if you don't like yourself. 2. Try being your own best friend. Talk to yourself like you would to a friend who needed motivation. Say things like, "I know it's hard but you can do it," or, "By this time tomorrow, it will be all done." 3. Keep a good sense of humor. It helps tremendously. 4. Spend some time on a hobby. 5. Reach out to others who can encourage you. 6. If you can get out some, then think about what encourages you. Many people find that doing things for others helps their own problems feel smaller, or at least it gets the problems off their mind for a little while. 7. Exercise, walk outside or on your treadmill, ride a stationary bike, do yoga. You can choose the kind of class you'd feel most comfortable in, or you can practice yoga at home with music of your choice. The stretching and distressing techniques are excellent, or you can jog, or belly dance, or whatever feels wonderful to your body. Just 15, 30, or 45 minutes a day will help your metabolism, which in turn helps your mood. 8. Eat good food. Add fresh foods and whole grain foods, go organic on some things, if you would like to. 9. Play music. Whatever kind of music lifts your spirits, play that for yourself. 10. List small aspects of big blessings. Thanks for watching.